Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will review Bullseye Blower, which promises to be the ultimate cleanup tool, a cordless turbo power air blaster with a 31,000 RPM motor, ready to hassle leaves, gutters, even light snow, all for $59.99. Sounds amazing, right? But here is the truth. There is no real specification listed, no airflow rating, no motor voltage, and no actual test video to back up the board claims, saying it is 5x faster than traditional blowers. Totally unproven. Turns out it is likely a dropship product sold cheap on Chinese wholesale site, then rebranded and hyped with aggressive ad and fake urgency terms. And let's be real, a mini blower handling snow, not happening. Real heavy duty blower costs way more and come from trusted brands with real reviews. Speaking of reviews, the site has known outside of its own cherry picked testimonials. No Amazon ratings, no YouTube demos, nothing verified. Final thoughts probably get delivered, but unlikely to perform. So that's all for this video. Please like this video and also subscribe our channel. Thank you.